Right, let me show you a trick in Adobe Illustrator on iPad that can help you to make a really complex shape. Okay, and let's start from scratch. So, for example, you can have a yeah. I tend to don't restrict myself when I create a basic shape. So I will do. So it's like a complete different story. So at the sketching process of my like creating process, I will just use shape like randomly. Okay, so for example, I can got all sort of shape like this. Doesn't really matter. And then I will change the shape to like triangle, like this. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and I can use say maybe square. Just add a few. It's really messy. Doesn't really matter because we got a tool of alignment. So I can choose everything. Click here, choose everything, and sometimes I always think that this is also a shape, but it's not. It's a shift. Okay. So once I select everything, I got alignment tool, right? And I can align it to the left. So remember, right now the alignment will align all the selection shape and use the leftmost as alignment. And if you say, hey, I want to align, to the right, it will not go all the way here because this is a new shape, right? New group, so it will go to the right, right? Let me show you. Okay, so the leftmost area is here. So if you align to the left, you will go here. But right now, it's already a new group. So if you align that to the right, okay, it will just go here, not go here. Okay? So, yeah, you got it. And of course, you can make it like a center. Right now, if you say, hey, I want to align to the right, you need to undo this, make all scatter around, and click align, right, and then align to the right. Okay? So after you have made alignment, let me right now I think I will have a like a city line sort of thing. So I align everything down. So I got a design like this. And this technique can be used in combination with all these previous techniques. So for example, I can use the builder, shape builder, click here, I can make it like exclude overlap, I can make intersect, I can make like minus font, combine all, exclude overlap, all that. Or you can simply use the shape builder, click it here, and then let me just to get rid of the overlap in between. Okay? And so for example, if this doesn't make any sense, just get rid of it, right? Get rid of. Yeah, I think I need to like undo a lot of previous maneuver and before I actually do this. So let's do that again. Select everything and align to the button, and then go to the shape builder, and then I'm going to get rid of what's inside. Okay, so for example, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, and this tiny part I may just leave it here, just add a little bit layered feeling. All this, I don't want this. I guess this is just a, you need to be careful. Okay, maybe this I don't need. Yeah, here maybe I don't need here. Okay, so this I don't need, this I don't need. Yeah, this I don't need. Or maybe you're just aiming for a silhouette sort of thing. You can just get rid of for all this overlapping because you just need a silhouette. So you can get rid of all this. Okay, inside don't need it, don't need it, don't need it. This don't need, don't need. Okay, and this don't need, don't need. Yeah, just pretty fun, satisfying, and in fact I think it's pretty, you know, sort of a soothing experience because you can get so much satisfaction by just crossing everything that you don't need out. It's like a spiritual experience when you actually do the design. it's fun. Okay, it's fun. Yeah, we human do a lot of things because it's fun. For the pure pleasure of doing things. And don't forget, sometimes you need to be careful not to cross the silhouette edge. So yeah, and of course you want add things. You can like combine these two. Right now, I think this is pretty good. Okay, maybe just cross all this out, just for the sake of it. Once it's done, we can make it down, and then we can change the color. I fill the color to I'm not sure, maybe just a bluish color. I love this. And make this not don't have an outline, so you got a shape like this. So this will be a great city line shape, and then you can add some text. So maybe here, add some text. So, for example, you can say city, like welcome to London. Welcome to London. Something like that. This is like a shot. Okay, so after you have select everything, you can go to the property and make this much bigger. Let me just make it much bigger. A ultra slim design. Okay, the font is very important, especially if you want this to be a like designly. This is maybe too much. I want a ultra slim. Maybe this. Okay, maybe this. Kawaii. Yeah, Arabic. Your font. Welcome to London. This is pretty. Or maybe this. Yeah, I'm going to use this one just for fun. Okay, and then you can make it here. Maybe a little bit transparent, just to make it like inside of our design. You use some sort of contrast, sort of like a watermark, even something like that. It's amazing. So you got your design. Okay, that's just a quick demonstration of how to combine not only the alignment tool, but also a quick review of what we learned, like a shape builder, something like that, and add different shape and combine experiments and align that. If you don't align that and combine things, it can get pretty messy. So for this kind of design, I tend to align that just to give some of the hints that is aligned to a specific anchor, and then do your design. Okay, and yeah, thanks, bye.